Dorpers are a self-replacing meat sheep. There is no wool to shear. So if you do not have a lamb every year, you have nothing to sell. Dorpers are capable of providing many lambs. Fertility is of number one importance. You must cull for fertility. There can be no compromise, as your objective is to be turning kilograms of lamb meat off your property. To keep them fertile and producing, your management and husbandry skills are important, and nutrition is a very key factor. Good nutrition is very important at key points in the ewe's life. The first 12 weeks are very important for ewes to get a good start in life and be highly productive. If they have a tough start, they will struggle their entire lives to be as productive as they could have been. Ewe lambs that are born in drought-affected conditions will always struggle in the fertility area if they have not had supplementary feed, and this is true of any breed of sheep. Dorper ewes can be very productive if they have been set up to succeed. Mature ewes, which is second lambers, will usually give about 130% lambs to ewes joint in normal grazing conditions, with good management and predator control being good. Maidens will usually provide 90% lambs to ewes joint in the same conditions. Dorper ewes will start cycling 6 weeks after lambing, so rams can be put in when lambs are being marked and pulled out when the lambs are being weaned. It must again be emphasized that this only provided the ewes are doing well and enjoying good nutrition during this period. Often 80% of the ewes joined will be in lamb upon scanning from such a joining. So if the season are with you, there is the opportunity to make a lot of money with the Dorper. 3 lambings in 2 years are regularly achieved. There are periods when this will not be possible and ewes will need to recover their condition after weaning the lamb. Dorpers are a self-replacing meat sheep. There is no wool to shear. So if you do not have a lamb every year, you have nothing to sell. Dorpers are capable of providing many lambs. Fertility is of number one importance. You must